Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and you are tuned in to the 676th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So, let's dive right in. Our first story today comes from the Economic Times, examining the critical issue of claim denials for pre-existing conditions. The report dives into the fine print of insurance policies, revealing why many claims get rejected and what policyholders need to watch out for to ensure their claims are honored. Highlighting the importance of transparency, noting that customers must ensure they disclose their complete medical history at the time of purchase. The emphasis is on the fact that while coverage for pre-existing conditions is available, it relies heavily on the policyholder's honesty and adherence to waiting periods. The report suggests that understanding these nuances is vital to avoiding disputes and ensuring the safety net works when it is needed most. Moving on to our next story from the Economic Times, we have a significant development in the marine insurance sector. The General Insurance Corporation of India, or GIC, has decided to withdraw marine hull war risk cover in specific high-risk regions. This decision comes as a response to escalating geopolitical tensions and safety concerns in global waterways. By pulling back coverage in these volatile areas, GIC aims to manage risk exposure effectively. However, this move leaves ship owners and cargo movers in these regions with a significant protection gap, highlighting the fragility of global trade routes amid current conflicts and the challenges insurers face in underwriting such unpredictable risks. Moving on to our next story from Money Control, where the focus shifts to travel safety. With tensions rising following recent attacks in the Middle East, the report explores the risk that a trip to Dubai could be affected by cancellations and delays. The article advises travelers on how travel insurance can act as a financial cushion during such turmoil. From flight cancellations to unexpected delays caused by airspace closures, a robust travel policy is being touted as essential for anyone planning to visit the region. The report underscores that having the right coverage can mean the difference between a ruined vacation and a manageable situation when international politics disrupt travel plans. Our final story today comes from Wales Book and covers the broader trend in the travel industry. The report details how geopolitical tensions worldwide are driving a significant spike in demand for travel insurance. It notes that travelers are increasingly viewing insurance not as an optional add-on, but as a necessity. The uncertainty surrounding international relations has made safety and financial security top priorities for globetrotters. The article explains that this surge in demand is a direct result of travelers seeking peace of mind, ensuring they are protected against the unforeseen disruptions that define the current global climate. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.